Okay, here's video of this diesel running, 6.5 turbo diesel. See it's running. See there's no blow by whatsoever. Not missing at all, sitting here running real good. I have my test drive on video too, showing it going through its gears, showing it keeping good oil pressure and temperature. Truck runs out real strong. It's got 4, I'd say damn near new tires on it. Not showing any abnormal wear anywhere, and they're nice and fat. I'd say they probably got about 95% of their life left. Old truck's got some bumps and scrapes. Nothing out of the ordinary though. Little scrape right there on the fender. Front bumper's been pushed in. Try to show you the clear coat on the hood. Roof looks the same way.